This video is about a critical challenge for many growers: bud rot. We'll show you how to stop it fast before it devastates your crop. Bud rot is easily identifiable. The infected buds become soft and mushy, and the whole structure can collapse when touched. The culprit is Botrytis, or gray mold. It's a fungus that starts silently inside the plant and spreads outward, making it difficult to detect early. Botrytis outbreaks are driven by a combination of high humidity, poor airflow, and dense plant structures. Addressing these factors is key to prevention. Look for these symptoms: dark or discolored buds, sudden dying leaves near the buds, and soft, mushy spots often covered in gray dust. Traditional fungicides pose risks: chemical residue, danger in late-stage flowering, and plant stress. You need a safe, effective alternative. HOCl sprays offer a major advantage over traditional fungicides. They leave zero harmful residue, are safe anytime, and gently break down pathogens without harming the plant. Hypochlorous acid, or HOCl, is a powerful oxidant that destroys pathogens while leaving the plant unharmed. It's the smarter, cleaner choice. We present the Botrytis Rescue Protocol, a 5-step process designed to save your crop and stop the spread immediately. Step 1. Amputate. Cut away affected buds, going beyond visible damage. Step 2. Isolate. Immediately remove the infected plant from the growing area to prevent further spread. Step 3. Maximize. Drastically drop humidity and increase air circulation. Step 4. Total clean. Sanitize your tools, hands, trays, and air to eliminate spores. Step 5. Apply a plant-safe spray. Use Grower's Choice Plant Guard 420, an HOCl-based spray, regularly to eliminate mold and bacteria. Its zero-residue formula makes it ideal for every stage of plant growth. Grower's Choice Plant Guard 420 is the only potassium-based HOCl designed for all plant types. Remember, prevention is greater than treatment. Maintain the loop of airflow, humidity control, clean tools, and safe sanitation to protect your plants. You don't need harsh chemicals to fight bud rot. You need a smarter, cleaner approach that protects your harvest and your plants. Grower's Choice Plant Guard 420 cleans plants safely, sanitizes tools and spaces, and reduces contamination risk. Find out more at growerschoiceplantguard.com.